Madras Cafe opens this Friday, and I guess Nargis Fakhri is frothing over it. Is that?
I'm frothing over it.
Since Rockstar released, there has been like constant this questions like, where is Nargis? Where is Nargis? You must be happy that finally film is releasing this weekend. So tell us.
Nargis is right here. I'm standing right here. Yes, Madras Cafe is releasing August 23rd. I'm super excited and super nervous also.
Working with John, how is it? How is the experience? Is he a prankster or tough taskmaster considering he's produced the film?
Yeah, he's a producer, and everyone kept asking me questions. What's the difference? How is it working with John as an actor, John as a producer? But I never really got to see him as the producer because I only saw him just as a co-actor, and as a co-actor, he's really lovely, and didn't expect him to be as soft-spoken and as funny as he was. So it was a nice time shooting with him.
So one thing very notable in this trailer is that we see Nargis Fakhri speaking English. So you must be very comfortable with the language and you must be like, thank God there's no Hindi. Was it?
Well, there was Hindi in the beginning, but then we thought that since she's an international correspondent and being that the way it's shot so differently, we figured just, keep her in that character. I think it turned out really well. I think it turned out more realistic.
What kept you so long from films, almost 2 years?
A lot of things that came into play. There's not always one reason, especially Rockstar was something that was such a huge hit and a huge platform for me. But I think I wasn't prepared for all of that.
Yeah.
And then I was bombarded with so many scripts and narrations and meetings and classes. And so I think that even though people say, oh, where has she been for 2 years? I've really been around. I've been doing ad campaigns, editorials, magazine shoots, event shows, and all of that, and then prepping.
As we were talking about Rockstar, just initially, it was a huge hit, but it had its fair share of criticism also. You were also being told that, you were criticized for being the weakest link in the film because you couldn't speak Hindi that well. How did you cope with that?
I think everyone, is entitled to their opinion for sure, and everyone feels a certain way about the film. Of course, there was negative and positive. And, as for the criticism for me, what I always say is that imagine that someone from China has come to you and said, ma'am, we love you for our film. You're going to be the lead heroine. You fit exactly. Your look, your personality is the character. Now you just come and learn Chinese in 2 months and acting in 2 months. Do you think that you can do that?